Hey breakfast lovers! Are you tired of unevenly toasted bread or burnt bagels? What if I told you that the wrong toaster could ruin your morning routine? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 best toasters of 2025 that you need to see before making your next purchase. From sleek designs to advanced toasting technology, we've got you covered. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. So, grab your favorite bread, and let's toast this. Number 1. Cuisinart CPT-122. The Cuisinart CPT-122 is one of our favorite options, offering excellent toasting performance and consistent results at an affordable price. This 2-slot toaster ranked high on the leaderboard in many of our test metrics, coming up just a little short when toasting bagels and frozen waffles. What users can expect is evenly toasted bread, especially on the high heat setting, with tester Genevieve Bradshaw saying, "I enjoy a little more crunch and deeper color to my toast, and the Cuisinart delivers." One of our testers was also impressed by the strudels made by this toaster, saying, "This is my ideal strudel. I love a crispy, almost crunchy texture, with a perfectly warmed center and perfectly warmed edges. It also shows a great handling of frozen bread and has an easy-to-use interface. This model is a light 2.6 pounds and can be stored between uses. However, its small 6.5-inch by 11-inch footprint makes it an easy option to keep on the countertop, too." Many models struggled to perform well in our bagel tests, including the Cuisinart CPT-122. The bagels turned out light gold to deep brown but also slightly unevenly heated and just a bit underwhelming. Number 2. Black+Decker 2-Slice T2569B. The Black+Decker 2-Slice T2569B is among the best we tested at toasting, well, toast. Time and time again, this 3-setting toaster presented us with crispy golden bread that was, for the most part, uniformly cooked. One member of our team commented, "This is nearly textbook perfect in my book," when taking a look at the toast results of the medium heat setting. The B+D also cooked frozen waffles to near perfection, with another tester saying, "I love the crispy exterior and warm, fluffy interior. It has an easy-to-use interface with just 3 buttons, bagel, frozen, and cancel, and a dial to adjust toasting time. The max external temperature, important to prevent accidental burns, is a bit warmer than some other models, measuring an average of 101 degrees Fahrenheit, but it never got too hot to touch. The price is hard to beat, but this toaster isn't perfect. During testing, we noticed it did not produce consistent results when heating bagels. They came out unevenly toasted at the end of our test. Number 3. Smeg 2-Slice. Our favorite toaster is the Smeg 2-Slice, thanks to its sleek look and perfect bagel toasting prowess. If a supreme bagel or stylish good looks appeal to your morning routine, the Smeg is the one for you. This is the only slot toaster I've found that can make better bagels than a toaster oven, says our reviewer. It creates the ideal bagel that is crunchy on the cut side and doughy on the back. It's no one-trick pony, it also produces near-perfect toast and frozen pastries. Our tester even said, "This toaster makes frozen waffles so good that I don't mind eating them with fake maple syrup." The Smeg has intuitive controls and super cool retro styling, so you get the best of all worlds with this king of the kitchen countertop. While we loved almost everything about the Smeg, our reviewer had to point out that my only complaint is that the defrost button doesn't seem to add that much time to the cycle, so I usually adjust the shade level to get proper toastiness. Secondly, the Smeg 2-Slice is pricey. Number 4. Ninja ST100 Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster. The Ninja ST100 Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster stands out among the options tested for its unique design, which allows it to function both as a traditional toaster and a compact toaster oven when laid onto its side. If you love bagels, then you'll be pleased with the nearly perfect bagels this model produces, which is a task that eludes many traditional toasters. When our tester described the results of our bagel test, they said, "The outer parts of the bagel developed a crispness that I love, while the bagel remains soft and chewy throughout." It is an intriguing option for those seeking a multifunctional appliance or who have space limitations and can't decide between a toaster oven or a traditional toaster. Our reviewer noted, "I could see this being great for someone who is single, living in a dorm, or working in the field and has a smaller temporary living accommodation." Although if you want something that you can tuck away after you're done using, the smaller and lighter Cuisinart CPT-122 might be worth taking a look at as well. Number 5. Elite Gourmet ECT-3100. We think the Elite Gourmet ECT-3100 is one of the best bargains available on the market. The extra-wide 9.8-inch slots are especially great for bakers who want to toast an artisanal loaf. Alternatively, our review writes that it is a perfect way for me to make lots of toast at warp speed for my family in the mornings. In our tests, this toaster performed great, producing good toast, delicious frozen waffles, and even browning bagels consistently, although not quite as well as the Ninja ST100 Foodi. We were also pleased with the built-in warming rack, which can help you bring your croissants or other pastries to the next level, with one tester mentioning, "I feel downright fancy when using it." There are some minor downsides to this toaster. First, it does not have a specific bagel setting. So even though it can brown a bagel nicely, both sides get toasted, which conflicts with the conventional wisdom that says only toasting the cut side makes for a better bagel. If you love bagels, you might prefer the Smeg 2 Slice, our favorite option for getting our bagels perfectly toasty. And there you have it, the top 5 best toasters of 2025. Which one are you toasting with? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing recommendations. Oh, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.